Hello, and thanks for tuning in to another unboxing video, a quick and dirty unboxing video. This should be one of my random videos that doesn't fit into the rest of the channel, but I've already done a Fallout unboxing of a Fallout product, so maybe this is going to become a theme, who knows. Today I'm going to be unboxing the NCR Desert Ranger helmet bundle from Bethesda. It was a limited edition offered in June 2021, only 500 worldwide, or there's supposed to be. On that note, I don't think it's so much a limited edition as a corporate version of a Kickstarter campaign, I think. There were 500 of these offered, and that, I would imagine, they could gauge interest. If they sell out, it covers their machines and molds and processes and stuff, because as soon as these were finished, another email went out saying, they changed the color slightly, but basically they're offering the same product now with a limited edition of 5,000, if you can even consider that a limited edition anymore. So this was kind of just to, I guess, gauge customer interest. And then they released another one that was basically the same price, same helmet, same accessories, same options. So I don't know if I really consider this a limited edition anymore. But on the side of the box, you can see it says number 424 of 525. So they made 500. More likely they made 525, perhaps, just for a couple of extras. And so let's take a look and see what we've got inside here. All right. Ooh. So we've got the Fallout NCR Desert Ranger helmet bundle. Pretty nice box. There we go. Nothing else in there. Pretty snazzy box. Yeah, let's see what bundle includes. NCR Desert Ranger replica helmet with LED light effects, NCR metal belt buckle, of course, and more ferocious than a Deathclaw window sticker. And that's pretty much it for the box itself. All right, let's see what we got in here. All right, start with the big, which we do? Start with the helmet itself or the accessories? So a small box with some extra things in it. Let's take a look, see what's in there. And I'm not sure what that is. We'll figure that out later. And in here we have the belt buckle. So you can see that. Belt buckle right there, New California Republic. And this would probably be the stand of some kind. Yes, there you go. Got a little plaque. Let's go on there. Some more foam and plastic. Oh, there we go. More ferocious than a Deathclaw sticker. You can't really, it's plain white to that camera. Maybe you can see a bit more detail on this one. But it's a window sticker, so I imagine it looks good on a nice tinted window. We'll have to see if I can put that on for you. Although I don't want to get something like that stolen. I'm not sure if it's permanent. And then there was also another little clip in there. Almost didn't see that. And nothing else in there. And this is, oh, I see. So, it's starting to make sense. So on the stand, this would go in here. And then this simulates the top of a head for a helmet. Put that in there. And so, that's something like that. So now, let's see what the helmet itself looks like. It's huge. Pretty large. Oh, the big reveal. It's just this silica gel. Okay, bigger than I expected. Lighter than I expected. Plastic. A little menacing. You need some batteries to get the full effect, which I don't have right now, but it lights up the eyes, so I'll show you that in a cutaway shot. But that's pretty much it for this unboxing. And the last thing in the box is instructions, of course. But I think I figured that out on my own. Got lucky. So I'll put in some batteries and we'll come back and see what it looks like. Oh wait, I still have this. What is this? I spoke too soon about figuring out everything. Let's see. Ah, there's a spot for it. So that goes in there. Like so. And that probably holds the helmet in a direction so it doesn't keep flopping around. I suppose that's it. So overall impression, I don't know, it was 150 US dollars. Probably not worth it in materials, and might have been worth it if it was truly a limited edition. I don't know. Now that there's 5,000 more out of them, they're just going to keep printing them. Maybe change the color a little bit and they say it's a new edition. Who knows? But again, if you want this for cosplaying or just something to display on your shelf, you don't really have much choice. If you're a fan of Fallout, yeah, go for it maybe. I don't know. Take a look. You can judge for yourself. All right, just before we wrap this up, I thought I'd do a comparison to something else I have that's very similar. This is the Power Armor helmet that came with the special edition of Fallout 76. Kind of an apples to apples comparison. So this was, I don't know what the limit was this. You can probably do the research online to find out how many of these they made, because it came with Fallout for the PlayStation as well as the Xbox. And so there's probably a number of these floating out there. In a sentence, this was way more ambitious. Moving parts. Lights up, had a voice changer, made shooting sounds. So pretty ambitious, more parts to it, but not really wearable. I mean, I tried to wear this at a Fan Expo Comic-Con, barely stayed on your head. There was some adjustment, which, you know, didn't really help. And one of the things I noticed right off the top is the battery compartment. Very poorly made, almost broke the first time I tried to put in batteries. This one, they did improve to make it more wearable, so if you're looking for something that is more costume, Comic-Con, cosplay friendly, you know, this will probably be much more comfortable to wear, much more robust headset. This is pretty close to something you'd see inside of a hard hat. The battery, like I mentioned, this just had a quick clip, which was very, very flimsy. This you actually need a screwdriver to open up the battery compartment. The eyes light up, as you can see here, but that's all this one does. So you know, the eyes light up, which is cool, I guess. But again, not nearly as ambitious as the Power Armor helmet. You do get the belt buckle again, so yay. And the sticker, does that make up for it? I don't know. But anyways, just as a comparison, they made some improvements on this one just to make it more robust and more wearable, but not as ambitious, which is a bit of a shame. Could have had some more fun with this one. Anyways, that's it. So hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you are looking for one for yourself, again, this was the first edition Desert Ranger. They made the new one slightly, actually, I prefer the new color scheme. It's more green rather than brown. And the lights light up red, I believe. The eyes light up red. And those ones are 5,000. They're going to make 5,000 of those, so you have a much better shot at getting one of those. Anyways, hope you enjoy, and stay tuned if I see any other Fallout stuff coming out.